Hello, I'm CJ Parker with Case IH, here to talk to you today about the Planner Systems user-defined window. For the Planner Systems user-defined window, this is the most efficient way to begin your planning operation to turn all the systems on the planner that you're going to need. The first thing to do before you start the Planner Systems button is to ensure all your hydraulic circuits that are running in constant that need to be. Once you have ensured that the hydraulics are running, you can press and hold the Planner Systems start button and the hourglass will come up, and that will begin to turn on your alternator, your vacuum control, your bulk fill control, compressor control, and wing downforce. It will also turn on your liquid control as long as you have already turned your liquid control on before you press the Planner System start button. The other thing the Planner System start button will do, once everything has been turned on and the bulk fill control has been turned on, it'll begin to prime the system for both your liquid fertilizer and for your seed. Once everything has been primed, you'll get a green check mark instead of the red X, both here on prime control and in the lower right hand corner of the planner icon and the Planner Systems user-defined window. The Planner Systems button can also be used at the end of the day to shut off all the planner systems simply by pressing and holding to start it, and then once you want everything to shut off, you press and hold the stop button, and that will cease operation of all the planner functions. For more information on using the Planner Systems user-defined window, please refer to your operator's manual or visit your local Case IH dealer.